moving on to the next part, removing the bumper. In the last video, if I do it as a series, I removed the two headlights, the middle grille, the intercooler, and now we're getting to the bumper to access the radiator. Well, I guess, hopefully. Now, before removing the bumper, I would like to unhook these electrical connectors so it won't accidentally stay on them. I guess I will need to get to the front fog lights too, but first I will want to remove this part only, and I did remove this screw over here, and I also removed that one so I can undo the bolt from under here for the lights. But this screw, I don't see any other screws over here, so let's move on. I'm not sure about this screw or bolt, but we will see. So it looks like I was somewhat correct. Did remove this bolt, but I'm still not sure about that. And there were still three 10mm bolts over here that hook the front bumper to this wing part. It looks like the bumper is held in place by 3 and 3 bolts on the sides. You can see those rusty bolts up on my battery cover, and 1 and 1 Torx bolts next to the wheel, somewhere in the wheel arch. After that, well, I guess there are those 2 bolts on the bottom, also Torx, so I will need to get under the car for that. And I don't know if there are any more. There are a lot of clips along the front of the bumper. Yeah, so I will undo the 2 bottom bolts and we'll take it from there. Oh yeah, and let's not forget about the fog light harness. That is, well, it looks like it's with one of these clips, and here's the connector for it. Oh god, I can't do this one-handed. So let me clear up. I think you need to remove these 2 bolts to pull this plastic back so you can reach the fog light. You don't really need to remove that to remove the bumper, because the bumper is held in these clips to this plastic. So now let's see the moment of truth. Yeah, kinda, but not quite. So there we have it, one focus front bumper off, and here we have one focus front end still on. I'm guessing I will still need to remove those things, this crash thingy, before I can access the aircon radiator. So yeah, see you in the next part, I guess. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something useful from this video, and the next part will be up sooner than you might expect it. Don't forget, you can find lots of Focus Mark 1 related how-to videos on my channel. This is it for today, and for free out.